Okay, so this is the Higgs video. It's Higgs WOW Lines 18a3z2b, a3s6a-c, a3z5b, and keywords jet propulsion, isomer, AOP, atoms, formulas. And it's kind of blurry. I don't know why my camera doesn't want to seem to focus today. So line 18a3z2b, Stellarator W7AS plasma Accelerator, hydrogen, deuterium, NBI WOW SETI is the name of the video. The keywords added to the formula for the Higgs Particle were IPP Projects plus Wendelstein 7x Stellarator. The next video that came out was line 18a3s6c, AgroPlas, GasPlas, microwave CnH2 reactor, cold plasma WOW SETI. The keywords in the data are February 10th, 2012 is when I was working on it. Today is September 29th, 2012. So my thoughts. Here we find some methods and new inventions that we can use for the Muon bombardment frequency, plus energy, plus accelerate, plus photocatalyst effect. Laser plus heat plus argon gas plus neutrinos equals acceleration plasma. You want to take the GasPlas cold plasma reactor, add the VASIMR, plus neutrinos plus methane cracking, plus carbon nanotubes plus graphite mirrors plus space elevator. I separated this particular data into 3 sections so we could look at each set of things in units. Line 18a3s6a-c, sorry, I can't read today. Line 18a3s6, muon, ox quark, ammonium percolate, argon gas, neutrinos, VASIMR rocket, WOW SETI. Line 18a3s6b, NASA LIDAR, 5G, laser pulse, neutrino, propulsion, WOW SETI, and line 18a3s6c is AgroPlas, GasPlas, microwave CnH2 reactor, cold plasma, WOW SETI. It's up to those who invented these things to get together, compare your notes, and see what you can come up with in relation to the propulsions required for a 5G force UFO engine. Take a look at all the data provided about neutrinos, add the mathematical equations that are mentioned in each video, and put it all together to develop the new alien technology that is required to meet this goal. The next formula is neutrinos plus gas plus mathematical functions plus calculations plus equations plus jet propulsion ideas. All these things are listed in line 24, 22. Actually, those videos haven't been filmed yet, okay? So I'm still on lines 22, but you'll have to look at 24 and 28 when they come up. But you can look at all the ones for 18. And 17. So those are the letters of each of the videos to look at, and that's the end of that data. So my thoughts from this data is the keywords and the formulas from the WOW videos. Muon bombardment plus cold plasma accelerator plus GasPlas cold plasma reactor plus VASIMR plus muon bombardment frequency plus energy plus accelerate photocatalyst effect plus laser plus heat plus argon gas plus neutrinos equals acceleration plasma. I'm going to Google photocatalyst, check out what comes up. Quote from Wiki. Photocatalysis. In chemistry, photocatalysis is the acceleration of a photoreaction in the presence of a catalyst. In catalyzed photolysis, light is absorbed by an absorbed substrate. In photogenerated catalysts, the photocatalytic activity, PCA, depends on the ability of the catalyst to create electron hole pairs, which generate free radicals, hydroxyl radicals, OH, able to undergo secondary reactions. Its comprehension has been made possible ever since the discovery of water electrolysis by means of titanium dioxide. Commercial application of the process is called Advanced Oxidation Process, AOP. There are several methods of achieving AOPs that can, but do not necessarily involve TiO2, or even the use of UV light. Generally, the defining factor is the production and use of the hydroxyl radical. My thoughts. The keywords that stand out in that data are electron hole pairs plus free radicals plus hydroxyl radicals plus OH plus secondary plus reactions plus water plus electrolysis plus titanium dioxide plus AOP plus advanced oxidation process. So next to Google, I'm going to quote from Wiki, is AOPs rely on in situ production of highly reactive hydroxyl radicals. OH. These reactive species are the strongest oxidants that can be applied in water and can virtually oxidize any compound present in the water matrix, often at a diffusion-controlled reaction speed. Consequently, OH reacts unselectively once formed and contaminates, will be quickly and efficiently fragmented and converted into small inorganic molecules. Hydroxyl radicals are produced with the help of one or more primary oxidants, e.g. ozone, hydrogen peroxide, oxygen, and or energy sources, ultraviolet light or catalysts, titanium dioxide. Precise pre-programmed dosages, sequences, and combinations of these reagents are applied in order to obtain a maximum OH yield. In general, when applied in properly tuned conditions, AOPs can reduce the concentration of contaminants from several hundred ppm to less than 5 ppb, and therefore significantly bring COD and TOC down, which earned in the credit of water treatment process of the 21st century. So August 20th, 2012, my thoughts. You need to do this AOP process with the Higgs boson particle to separate the atoms and create the one particle that will stay so that you can prove it exists. Thoughts come to mind for this one. Next is line 18A, 3z5b, uniform convergence tetrahydride, isomer hydrocarbon cracking, 5G WOW SETI. There's a diagram for pentane, 2-methylbutane, and 2,2-dethylpropane. Keyword isomer added to the formula for Higgs particle because it makes two particles in one particle. Just as the Higgs boson experiment did, Higgs signal, 2 forces plus 2 photons, 2 plus 2, 2. Same pattern in cell activity. I'm always looking at patterns in cells, comparing things that are similar. That's the end of that video. Thank you for watching. I'm going to film another Higgs video for you.